Hello, welcome back into the Schematic channel. Now in this video we see how we can download and install the NetBeans software on a Windows 10 or 11. It's the same process. So for this one, first of all, we need to be install the latest version of the Java, and after that we start the process of downloading the NetBeans. You can open any kind of browser which are you using, and after that you search with the Oracle Java and click on this first link. That web page is open. Scroll down and there is the JTK Java 26. It's on the Linux side, so you need to be click on this window, and after that there is the different options, so you can choose this one, x64 installer, and click on this link, download link for this one. Then your downloading start. So I already downloaded it. I show you how we can install the latest Java version. This is the Java 26 installer. So I right click on it and run as administrator here. So Java installer is in front of us. Click on next here. Don't be change the path. Click on next. Down our installation is start. Now after that close it. Now after that we create the path in the computer environment. So for this one we open the location where our Java is installed right now. So we go into the C drive, and here we go into the program files. Here we search the Java, in the Java JTK 26, and go into the bin, and now we copy this link completely. Okay, after that we search the environment. Okay, so edit the system environment variables, click on it. Now after that we click on environment variables here, go into the path, this one, double click on it, and now we add the new path. Click on new and paste the link which we copied and click on OK. After that we click on OK. Now our path is added. Now we open the command prompt for verifying our Java latest version is installed. For this one we say Java hyphen version and enter. Now Java 2026 1317 is installed. It's verified. Now we move toward how we can download the NetBeans. So we need to be open this NetBeans official website. I try to be adding the link for this Java and for this NetBeans in the description, so you can directly access that web pages. Now after that you click on this download button, then that web page is open. Now from here you click on this binary platform independent NetBeans 26 bin.zip. So maybe in your case, if you're watching after a year or after 6 months, then maybe their version is 30. So don't worry, just click on it and download it. So I already download that file also, so I show you how we can install it. That is the NetBeans 29 bin zip file. So first of all we extract it here. Now the file is extracted. We open that file, we open the NetBeans, go into the bin, and here it is the NetBeans 64.exe. So we run as administrator this file. So if you want to be added into desktop, then you right click on it and send to the desktop. Okay, so now you see the shortcut of the NetBeans is created on a desktop, so you can directly access through that next time. After that we create a new project, click on it, Java with Maven, Java application, click on next. Now here we create our project name. So I write the name my Java. After that we make the package name, so com.matricworld, and after that I click on finished. Now they create a my Java file. Into the my Java they create a new file environment for the java.java, and here it is the system.print ln, it's hello world. So instead of hello world, if you write down anything, maybe I write down my channel name here, and after that I need to be going to the file and save all file and save all. So it's saved, and simply click on this button for running. So now they are building the Java. It's built successful. So now this schematic word is printed here. So you create your first project on a NetBeans and run your first code. So I hope so you understand it, how you can download and install the NetBeans software. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.